3 fun facts about cicadas. Number 1. The sound of cicadas can be extremely loud, sometimes reaching 120 decibels, equivalent to the sound level of an electric saw, and a prolonged exposure could cause hearing damage. Number 2. Some species of cicadas emerge from the soil every year, and others emerge after an underground maturation period of 13 to 17 years, making it the longest life cycle of any insect. Number 3. After emerging from the soil, the nymphs climb up into the trees, where they proceed to transform into winged adults by once again shedding their exoskeletons. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and write in the comments what fun facts you would like to see.